Good morning. So today we're having a look at our English. We are going to start off with our word of the day. Today it is optimistic, which means looking on the positive side or being hopeful. So you need to write a short diary entry, write an alliterative sentence, which means lots of words beginning with the letter O, including the word optimistic. Write a short description of a character who would be described as optimistic. Write an antonym, which means a list of words that mean the opposite to optimistic. So have a go at one of those four. And then once you're done, we are going to have a look at our reading. So have a read of these 3 pages, please. Pause the video each time so you can have a read through. And then once you're done reading, we need to have a look at these questions. So what does abnormally mean on page 23, where it says abnormally there, abnormally? And what does mutation mean on page 24? Mutation right at the bottom down there. So have a go answering those 2 questions. What does abnormally mean and what does mutation mean? And then when you are done, today we're doing our teacher assessment of our drafts. So I've got here 100 words. Now, you should have checked yesterday to make sure that your spellings are all correct. You've got your description in there. You've got your correct inverted commas. You should have all that already sorted. So well done if you have. If you haven't, double check that first. If you have got all that, then I want you to try and fit at least one word from each category into your myth, okay? Now, this may not be possible for everybody because, for example, you may not have a small creature to describe like a goblin, okay? Or you may not have characters that are in love and infatuated with each other. So you may not be able to get all of them, but I want you to have a go at getting as many as you can. That's not as many words as you can, but as many categories. So one word from each category would be enough, just to get a really good tier 3 vocabulary words in there, all right? So do your best, have a go, and try and get as much of this amazing vocab in as you can. One from each is enough. If you can do more, then fantastic. If you can't quite fit one of the categories in, then maybe try and make up for it by getting another word from a different category in there. Just try and get all that amazing vocab into your work. So this is today's task for English. Have a go at getting as much of this vocab into your work as possible. Good luck, and I'll see you for maths.